Oh, have a go at that. It's like the sun just come back up. Have you been looking for a new light bar? Well, I was, until Simon from AUXBEAM decided to reach out and said, do you want a light bar? And I said, yes, I have been looking for one. So today we're going to be looking at this 5D Pro Series light bar. Now, I don't know what's inside the box yet. I haven't opened it. So we're going to get my knife out. All right, so we've got a couple of things. We'll get them all out. There's the main piece of resistance. Instructions, stickers. All right, first up, we have a wiring harness. You've got a fuse there, positive and negative to your battery, and then you can secure that somewhere in the engine bay, and then you'll run one into the car. You got a little switch here, pretty nice, and then we have a plug here, which will connect to the light bar. Might as well get into that. Just looking at the website, it has 44,000 lumens of light. Have a go at that. So, it's actually pretty heavy. I don't know if it's going to fit up the top of my cruiser. It's definitely going to throw some decent amount of light. I might have to mount it to the rooftop tent. So it looks like we've got a set of projectors here, and then we might have, I'd say these would be spot, and then these would be flood. So that you can blind the cars in front of you here, and then you can also get them here as well with spots, and then on here you can just blind them on the way past. That's a very, very sturdy cable. Check that out. Very nice. Quality. There's a big plug on it too. It's almost as tall as me. Have a go at that. And then we do have one more thing here. It's this little box here, and I'd say this would be the mounting equipment. So we have a few different ways of mounting it. So these mounts here must go on somewhere. That's all right, we'll have a look at that later. We also have these mounts, which I can already see where they go. These ones here will be the side mounts. They will be going on the sides, right, like that. Then inside here, a few nuts and bolts. Oh, have a go at that. I'm losing stuff already. They even come with the Allen keys to install it. So you don't need tools, you don't need everything. Everything that came in that cardboard box is everything you need to blind people on the road or use outside in the bush and light up everything like daylight. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and install it to Trish Troopy. I went ahead and put all the mounts on, and we're pretty much ready to start putting it on the car. We still have to remove the 42-inch light bar that's on there already. The mounts are really easy to put on. Only took me about 10 seconds to go into the instructions, because they give you about a handful at least of random assortments of nuts and bolts, which is good because they're for multiple different mounting options. We won't be using their quality wiring harness today. We're just going to be plugging it directly into whatever electrical fire hazard that I have installed in the top of my cruiser. So we'll go out and make it happen. Before we go ahead and throw this on, we're going to have to remove that. Got all the tools here to do that. So just going to take this little bastard here and the Allen keys, and I'm going to get up there and just rip the bastard off. Oh, before we do that, I'll turn the light on and see how much light you get from that. It's in the daytime, so you're not going to see much, but you can already see that light is fucked. That's what sort of light you get out of it. It's pretty terrible. It's on its way out. Right, so there's the old light bar removed. As you can see, it has black Raptor liner on it, because I obviously had it too close. When I think I left it on the car, when I left it on the roof rack when I repainted it. Anyway, it's good for the bin. Now, we're gonna have to drill a couple of holes to put the bigger mounting hardware. All right, so the biggest difference I'm noticing already between the AUXBEAM light bar 5D Pro and the Adventure Kings whatever light bar that is. This is the mounting bolt for the Adventure Kings light bar. Right? Now you're probably thinking, oh, use your own, they're real small. Well, here is the mounting bracket. That is the biggest bolt that Adventure Kings will allow you to put in. And for comparison, these are the mounting bolts for the AUXBEAM light bar compared to the Adventure Kings. Pretty substantial difference. I trust that a lot more than I do this little one, especially on rough roads. So there's already 1 point to the AUXBEAM. Now I'll get up there and drill those holes out so we can mount that up. The wiring is a bit dodgy at the moment, but I need to redo the whole car. That's nothing to do with AUXBEAM. That's just me being a colourblind auto spark. Pretty much everything up there is completed, and now it's time to throw the light bar up there. Okay, so now the last step, now that it's all mounted up, is to remove the Allen key on one side, which is this side, and connect the earth to it, because that's where I earth out everything up here. Extremely dodgy, absolute fire hazard, but it works. We should be all sorted now. It's nice and tight. Just got to plug in the plug. There we go. Now, this big long lead is great for trying to run it anywhere, but I've only got a short little run here until I sort out this rat's nest. So I think I might just plug it up into there. Throw a zip tie on it, maybe. There we go, done. Time to switch it on. So, 5-minute job turned into an hour and a half. Pretty exhausted after doing that, climbing up and down the scaffolding on the side. It's all hooked up, ready to go. But just looking at it now, how good does that look, right? That is the best looking 42-inch light bar I've ever seen, right? If you think you've seen better, you know, one with the Steedy written on across it, garbage. Check that out. Now, Simon from AUXBEAM, right, shout out to Simon from sales or marketing, wherever you're from, mate. What about a set of 9-inch spotties? Set them up. I reckon if you hook me up with 9-inch spotties, we can throw 2 in there, maybe 2 at the back. We can just throw heaps all over it. So now it's time to turn it on. All right, so there's the high beam on the car, just the headlights, and then there's the light bar. Holy dooly. Oh, have a go at that. It's like the sun just come back up. Switch that off. So in a couple of hours or so, when we get a little bit more darkness, we'll go out and show you how bright they are. We can compare it to the spotties on the front and give you a good idea of how bright they are and if you should buy it or not. I reckon you should. Just looking at that now. And the other thing too, on those mounting brackets, the hole is actually ovalled out already compared to this brand, Adventure Kings. It just has the one hole in the middle. So you got to get your drill holes spot on. With the AUXBEAM, it's got like an oval hole, and you could put 2 bolt holes in, as long as they're not this way wrong. As long as they're this way wrong, you can adjust your light bar, angle it any which way you want, and you don't have to be so precise on a tape measure like I'm not. Alrighty, so we're going to do a sort of a distance test. I'm about 150 metres away from the cruiser, and got the phone torch on now. You can probably just see me. I'm pretty far away, and we'll turn the headlights on the cruiser. So there's the LED headlights on my cruiser. They're just an eBay special Jeep light, so they're pretty decent. And yeah, they were better than my last 42-inch light bar. So we'll turn on the AUXBEAM 42, and it's going to blind me in a second. Oh yeah. So, as you can probably see, she's a bit of a weapon. Like, I can hardly see the headlights on the cruiser right now. I can only really just see like a big glow at the top of the car. And we've got plenty of light. Could probably just turn this off now. As you can already see me, I'll start walking in. We've got a good spread either side. Plenty of distance right out in the middle because of those big projectors in the guts. So yeah, that gives you an idea of the 42-inch AUXBEAM 5D Pro, 4D Pro, whatever it is. She's a rig of a light. Thanks for watching. See you later.